This is one of our signature dish. We call it chuttuli mean. Chuttul means roasted, ulli means shallots, and mean means fish. So it's done with a potato stew. We do it in mullet. The local name is kanambu, and we take a fillet of it. We serve it with roasted brinjal and with a stuffed ladyfinger. This is a lemon garlic marination. This is lemon, garlic, oil, salt, crushed pepper with some herbs. The stuffing is not much, it's just sauteed shallots with some ginger, garlic, tamarind pulp, salt, pepper. It's cooked in coconut oil. So we have already made a pocket in the fish, so we are stuffing it. Before grilling, we just stuff it. So now we are stuffing the roasted brinjals, the eggplants, with the same masala. And we will stuff the ladyfinger, the okra also with the same masala. Now we will start with the grilling of the fish. So the plating side has to be grilled first. The right side up we say, so the skin side has to be grilled first. So once the skin side is done, we are just turning it around. Butter to give a glaze and flavor. Since the aubergines are already roasted, so we are not adding it right now. But since the lady's finger is raw, we are cooking it. The fish is half done. We cook the aubergines also. So we have a base starch for it. So we will keep this on a hold. So for the potato stew, it's just boiled potato slices, onion, green chili, curry leaf. This is the second milk. Now the coconut second milk extract. This is just for the potatoes to cook in. Now we will add some salt and some turmeric into it. It will induce some color also. Rest we are just adding cardamom powder. That's the only spice we are adding to it. And now the first extract. A bit of turmeric powder. Don't boil the milk, it might split. If it is fresh coconut milk, elsewise use powdered coconut milk or coconut cream. So we'll start with the plating of the dish. It's very simple. This is one of our signature dishes, which is high on demand. So do come and try.